Hey everyone! Today, we're going over how to upgrade a Kubernetes cluster created with kubeadm. Imagine this scenario: you're managing a Kubernetes cluster in production, and a new Kubernetes version is released with performance improvements and security patches. Now, you need to upgrade your cluster with minimal disruption to live applications. Keeping a Kubernetes cluster updated is critical, especially in production environments where security vulnerabilities and outdated features can impact performance. With kubeadm, we have a streamlined process to perform upgrades safely, minimizing downtime. Let's say we're running a high-traffic e-commerce application. It's important to ensure any downtime is as short as possible while we upgrade our cluster's control plane and worker nodes. Before starting, we need to check the compatibility of our current version with the new one. Upgrades are done one minor version at a time, so make sure your version matches the requirements. Also, ensure your cluster backup is up to date. For critical applications, this backup is essential to prevent any data loss. Then, verify that each node has sufficient resources and no active disruptions. Check pod statuses using kubectl get pods a to make sure everything's running smoothly before you proceed. First, let's upgrade the control plane node. We'll start by draining it to prevent it from scheduling any new workloads. Run kubectl drain control plane node ignore daemon sets to prepare it for the upgrade. Now, we use kubeadm upgrade plan, which shows the available versions and checks compatibility. Once verified, execute kubeadm upgrade apply new version to start the upgrade process. This upgrades the control plane components like the API server, controller manager, and scheduler. After upgrading the control plane, uncordon the node using kubectl uncordon control plane node so it can resume normal operations. With the control plane upgraded, it's time to upgrade the worker nodes. Begin by draining each worker node individually using kubectl drain worker node ignore daemon sets. Then, SSH into the worker node and run kubeadm upgrade node to sync it with the new control plane version. After the upgrade, use apt or yum to upgrade the kubelet and kubectl binaries on each node to match the control plane. Restart kubelet with system to restart kubelet to apply the changes. Finally, uncordon each node to bring it back online. Repeat this process for each worker node to fully upgrade the cluster. Once all nodes are updated, it's time to check if everything's functioning correctly. Run kubectl get nodes to confirm that all nodes are in ready status and kubectl get pods a to ensure no applications were disrupted. It's good practice to perform a quick functionality test on your applications to verify everything is operating smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully upgraded your Kubernetes cluster with kubeadm. Regular upgrades keep your production environments secure and performant. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Kubernetes tips.